Welcome to Knowledge Splash. In this video we will take a look at the fascinating history of paper printing. The history of paper printing dates back to ancient times, with the earliest examples of printed text and images found in China during the Tang Dynasty, 618 to 907 AD. At that time, printing was done using woodblock printing, a process in which images were carved into a wooden block and then printed by rubbing ink onto the block and pressing it onto paper. The movable type printing press, which allowed for the easy creation and arrangement of individual letters and symbols, was invented in China during the Song Dynasty, 960–1279 AD. This technology later spread to Korea and Japan, where it was further developed and refined. This technique involved arranging individual characters made from metal or other materials onto a printing plate, which could then be used to print multiple copies of a document. In the 15th century, Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press in Europe, which revolutionized the printing industry. Gutenberg was a German goldsmith and inventor who had been working on the development of printing technology for several years before he finally succeeded in creating a functioning printing press. Gutenberg's printing press was a revolutionary invention that allowed for the mass production of books and other printed materials. Before the printing press, books had to be copied by hand, a labor-intensive process that was both slow and expensive. With the printing press, books could be printed quickly and efficiently, making them more widely available and more affordable. Gutenberg's press used movable type, a system in which individual letters and symbols could be arranged and rearranged to create different pages of text. This made it possible to print multiple copies of the same book, or to print different books using the same set of letters and symbols. To create his press, Gutenberg combined several existing technologies, including the wine press, which he adapted to apply pressure to the paper and ink, and the screw press, which he used to apply pressure to the type. He also developed a new type of ink that was more durable and could be applied evenly to the paper. Despite many advancements in mechanical machines, printing technology remained relatively unchanged for hundreds of years. It wasn't until the late 20th century that the modern printer as we know it was invented. The development of computers was a key factor in the invention of modern printers. As computers became more common in offices and homes, people needed a way to easily and quickly print out documents. The first printers were dot matrix printers. The dot matrix printer worked by using a series of small pins to strike an ink ribbon against paper, producing a series of dots that formed characters and images. While dot matrix printers are no longer as widely used as they once were, they played a significant role in the development of printing technology and were an important milestone in the evolution of printers. In the 1980s, inkjet printers were invented. They were faster and quieter than dot matrix printers, and they produced high-quality prints. The technology behind inkjet printing involves the use of small nozzles that spray tiny droplets of ink onto the paper to create an image. This allowed for more precise control over the placement of the ink droplets and helped to create sharper, more detailed images. Laser printers were also invented in the 1980s. They were even faster than inkjet printers, and they produced even higher quality prints. The laser printer was invented by Gary Starkweather while working at Xerox Corporation's research facility in Webster, New York in the late 1960s. Starkweather was looking for a way to improve upon the then dominant technology of impact printing, which used mechanical pressure to transfer ink onto paper. He came up with the idea of using a laser beam to selectively charge areas on a photoconductive drum, which could then attract toner particles and transfer them to paper to create an image. Xerox introduced the first laser printer, the Xerox 9700, in 1977. Today, inkjet and laser printers are the most common types of printers used in homes and offices around the world. They are faster, quieter, and produce higher quality prints than ever before. In addition, 3D printers have also been invented, which use a computer to create three-dimensional objects by printing layer upon layer of material. They are used in a variety of fields, including medicine, engineering, and art. Overall, the invention of printers has had a significant impact on society, making it possible to produce large quantities of printed materials quickly and efficiently. From ancient woodblock printing to modern 3D printing, the evolution of printers is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology to shape the world we live in. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos.